because so often we look for like things that either in our head or we prompt chat like AI for pain points, but the reality is like you want to build something that people genuinely have pain with,
The
and so
reality is the world revolves around Reddit.
pretty
Yeah.
much. I mean, despite the
Well,
fact that like half of it's bots, but
yeah. Well, I mean, no, it is. I did that, and I basically took like I took the JSON object from like 4 or 5 different subreddits, combined
yeah,
them into one file, uploaded it, and then
yeah,
just exactly that. You ask for summarization of all the main pain points, overview, and then ask it for app ideas that solve those and all, and you get
yep,
you get great response in that way, and you're getting like, real problems people have or complain about a lot, and
yeah,
there's
totally,
just and there's subreddits for everything, so
yeah,
it is a good method.
yeah. It's pretty cool. So I thought that was cool. I'm gonna experiment more with that this week. Um,
This is the problem though. I feel like
there's too much.
there's too much crap to express. Yeah, dude, it's like AI is so helpful in so many ways, but it's like as they keep coming out with these new models, new capabilities, and it's like, and there's so many ways to use them that it's
Yeah,
like it's like another overwhelming technology. Like, there's so much stuff.
yeah.
It's insane.
Yo, Randall, was that video you're watching with Fireship? Was that about VO3? Is that what it was about?
Probably,
Yeah,
probably.
because I heard a lot of people talking about that. How can you do like video, audio
Yeah,
all at the same time?
Wait, what is
yeah,
this?
it's pretty crazy.
It's called VO3, and I don't really know much about it, to be honest. I have to look into it. I think it's a model that recently came out, and it does both audio and video creation at the same time. So you can basically create like a talking head
Oh,
uh, it'll create a script and then actually speak. And we're getting to the point where it's hard to tell the difference between reality
yeah.
and
I just looked up. Yeah,
100%.
that's a
yeah,
Gemini AI video generator. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And
yeah,
there was as soon as I looked it up, the first YouTube thing or the first news article that came up was like, there's gonna be a whole new era of scams.
yeah,
Because
exactly,
you
Oh,
can do
dude,
audio,
yeah,
100%.
video. Like, oh
yeah,
God.
yeah. It's pretty mind blowing. I mean, we're gonna have to think of novel ways to prove identity too, because how easy is it
Yeah.
to like call a bank and be like, "Hi, I'm so and so. Please send the
You know what?
money this way."
You know what's crazy too? We're gonna have to do like we'll have to do an episode on this like later at some point. But like I've been reading a lot about quantum computing because a lot of developments have happened there, and
Yeah,
that's gonna break everything. Once those are like functional, they have an operating system. Somebody already built an operating system for them and an internet for quantum computers
yeah.
that they've been testing, and like it's gonna destroy everything because like
I'm pretty
all the
sure.
security stuff we have is nothing. Like
Yeah,
it breaks in a second with them. So it's yeah.
yeah. You definitely
There
need
is,
like.
so,
Go ahead, Randall.
yeah, there are different signatures that you can use. I forget what they're called, quantum computing. So there, I mean, the potential is there for a big threat, but I think also we kind of have some solutions for that threat. It's just basically the encryption schemes that we use now will not be reliable, so we'll just
No.
need to upgrade
Yeah,
Yeah,
to
yeah.
something quantum
Also,
resistant.
right now there's nothing to worry about either because they can only run those things at like negative 273 Kelvin. So it's not like you can run them like in like a regular,
locally.
like
Oh, your freezer
ridiculous.
doesn't go down to that?
Yeah, like
You don't have
it's
an
absurd.
anti-zero
I
freezer?
It costs
locally.
like millions of dollars to turn it on. So I think we're okay right now. But
Yeah.
yeah,
I'm pretty sure
All right.
IBM has a way for you to actually use some of those if you want to. Like you can get access to them through the internet, which is kind of
that's
cool.
cool.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
also it's a whole different way of coding and like thinking about code. So most people are not going to be able to just like pick that up and do it. So
Oh no, it's
Nope.
very different. Yeah, because you have like different states of like existence and all. It's weird. Yeah.
yeah. Well, with that, we are at about a half hour, and I need to go eat breakfast before I take a plane back to the United States. So, um, it was great chatting with you both this morning. Enjoy your coffee. If you guys are interested in joining a community of developers who are talking about these new things like AI and coding frameworks and red teaming and cybersecurity and all that good stuff, we have just the thing for you. It's called the CodeNoobs Inner Circle. You guys can join with the link that's over there, I think, codenoobs.io, and join us every
It's less
Saturday.
than the price of a cup of coffee
Yeah, like you
every
could,
day,
instead
and
of
pretty
buying
much
this.
everyone's gotten a job while
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
being in
know,
it,
which is
which
kind
is
of
crazy.
crazy,
Everyone's
right?
gotten a coding job while being in it, which is
Yeah,
nuts.
Yeah, so if that's what you're looking to do, then join us. And yeah, if you are in the inner circle, I won't be joining you today, or I might stop in for a little bit while I'm at the airport. But these two fine gentlemen below me will be hosting today's call.